One of the most annoying things for me right now are persons who pop up out of nowhere and tell others not to talk about politics. You wanna know why? Guess. Because election done. And they'll be wagging their finger. No, no, no. Oh, no, annoy me, to be honest. And I mean, no, this is what annoy me. Reason why? You complaining that others are talking about politics outside of election time. It's basically you saying you're okay with your representatives, your caretakers, your MPs, etc., only showing up during election time. You are saying that you only care about the government of your country during election time. You only care about the governing of your country during election time. You only care about prices going up during election time. Sounds stupid here, don't it? Yeah, it is. And mind you, granted, I'm one of those persons that were never really much into politics. I still am not. However, I've understood the importance of talking about being involved and being aware of what is happening in politics, because politics is how our country, how our future generations will be living. Good? Just my thoughts. What are yours?